Beautiful rustic terraces, ideas for outdoor spaces surrounded by nature. Introduction: The allure of rustic terraces. Welcome to Decor Lab, where we explore the beauty of rustic home and garden design. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of rustic terraces, those inviting outdoor spaces that bring the charm of nature into our living environments. If you're looking for inspiration to create your own outdoor sanctuary, you're in the right place. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more home decor ideas, and don't forget to like this video and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Let's embark on this journey to discover how you can transform your outdoor spaces into stunning rustic terraces that harmonize beautifully with nature. Embracing natural materials. When designing a rustic terrace, the use of natural materials is key. Think wood, stone, and metal, elements that not only enhance the beauty of your outdoor space but also provide durability and warmth. For instance, reclaimed wood can be used to create a charming deck or seating area, while rough-hewn stones can serve as pathways or garden borders. Incorporating these materials helps to ground the space in nature and create an organic feel. Consider building a terrace that features a wooden pergola draped with climbing vines, providing both shade and a connection to creating inviting seating areas. A rustic terrace is incomplete without comfortable seating that encourages you to linger a little longer. Incorporating various seating options can add character and functionality. Wooden benches, wicker chairs, and even oversized cushions on the ground can create an inviting atmosphere. Use textiles like burlap or linen in earthy tones to tie the seating into the natural setting. Consider adding a fire pit at the center, where friends and family can gather in the evenings, creating a warm ambience under the stars. Arranging seating. Integrating lush greenery. Nature should be at the forefront of your terrace design. Incorporating plants and greenery can enhance the rustic charm and create a serene environment. Choose native plants that thrive in your region for ease of maintenance and to attract local wildlife. Large potted plants, hanging baskets, and even vertical gardens can add layers of texture and color. Imagine climbing roses framing your terrace or fragrant herbs adding an aromatic touch. Use wooden planters or terracotta pots to maintain the rustic theme. By integrating lush greenery, you create a vibrant, playing with colors and textures. Color and texture play significant roles in creating a rustic terrace that feels cohesive and inviting. Earthy tones such as browns, greens, and muted blues can set the tone, allowing the natural surroundings to shine. Mixing textures, from the roughness of stone to the smoothness of wood, adds depth and visual interest. Consider adding colorful throw pillows or rugs to your seating areas for a pop of color. The interplay of these elements can transform your terrace into a lively yet calming space that reflects your personal style while still maintaining a connection to lighting for atmosphere. The right lighting can transform your rustic terrace from day to night, creating an enchanting atmosphere. Use string lights or lanterns to add a warm glow, perfect for those evening gatherings. Candles and glass holders can provide an intimate touch, while solar-powered path lights can illuminate walkways, ensuring safety without compromising the rustic feel. Consider incorporating lanterns made from natural materials, such as bamboo or reclaimed wood. Proper lighting enhances the ambience, inviting you to enjoy your terrace long after the sun has set, turning it into a cozy Functional features for outdoor living. To truly embrace outdoor living, think about incorporating functional features into your rustic terrace design. An outdoor kitchen or a built-in grill can enhance your cooking experience, allowing you to enjoy meals al fresco. A rustic dining table made from reclaimed wood can serve as the centerpiece for family gatherings and celebrations. Additionally, consider adding a shade structure, such as a pergola or awning, to provide comfort during hot summer days. These features not only increase the usability of your terrace but also elevate its rustic aesthetic, blending functionality with charm. Seasonal decor and flexibility. One of the beauties of a rustic terrace is its ability to adapt with the seasons. You can switch up your decor to reflect the changing landscape throughout the year. In the spring, consider using floral arrangements and vibrant cushions to celebrate new life. In the fall, incorporate pumpkins and warm-toned throws for a cozy touch. Winter can bring evergreens and twinkling lights, while summer invites bright colors and fresh fruits. This flexibility allows you to keep your terrace feeling fresh and inviting. Conclusion: your rustic terrace awaits. As we conclude our exploration of beautiful rustic terraces, we hope you feel inspired to create your own outdoor oasis. Whether you choose to embrace natural materials, integrate lush greenery, or incorporate functional features, your terrace can become a harmonious extension of your home. Remember, the key to a successful rustic terrace lies in blending comfort with nature, making it a space where you can unwind and connect with the outdoors. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.